there folks, today we're going to show you all the customization options that you have when using the new sketch feature in draw.io. First, select all the shapes you want to stylize, and in this case all of them. In your Format panel under Style, click on Property to expand the menu and take a look at all the available options. Jiggle will set line roughness. Fill Weight will change the line weight of your lines. Hachure Gap dictates the closeness of the fill lines, and Hachure Angle defines the direction of the fill lines. Another option is Disable Multistroke, which will give you one pass of the pen for your border lines, and Disable Multistroke Fill will give you one stroke when you fill a shape. With Sketch Style, you can choose rough or comic style depending on what you like more. So please have fun using our new sketch features.